Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about properties of bases. So now we discuss about uses of bases. Now first one, aluminium hydroxide. What is the name of this one? Aluminium hydroxide. What is the use of aluminium hydroxide? Aluminium hydroxide used for to make antacid tablets. So what is the use of aluminium hydroxide? Used for to make antacid tablets. What is the use of antacid tablets? So where we should use antacid tablets? Suppose we are suffering from stomach pain. Stomach pain means how we can suffer from stomach pain? From acidity. So whenever in our stomach to form more acidity we feel pain. How you can reduce this pain? By using antacid tablets. Name the substance present in the antacid tablets. So aluminium hydroxide. Second one is magnesium hydroxide. Name is magnesium hydroxide. It is used for to make antacid tablets. So this one also another name is there. What is the another name of magnesium hydroxide? It is called milk of magnesia. It is also we can use it to reduce the acidity of in our stomach. Next, third one is potassium hydroxide. Name is potassium hydroxide. What is the use of potassium hydroxide? It is used for to make soft soap. Another one used for to make alkaline batteries. Alkaline means basic nature. Next, ammonium hydroxide. What is this name? Ammonium hydroxide. So what is the use of ammonium hydroxide? It is used for cleaning agent. So where we should use this ammonium hydroxide? So to clean the glasses in our homes. Next, it is used for to make ammonium salts. So what are the examples of ammonium salts? For example, ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, etc. Next, it is used for fertilizers. Used for to make fertilizers. Where we should use fertilizers? These fertilizers we are using for agriculture purpose. Next, another one. What is the use of ammonium hydroxide? Used for to prepare nitric acid. So this is uses of ammonium hydroxide. Next, calcium hydroxide. What is the formula of calcium hydroxide? This is the formula of calcium hydroxide. What is the use of calcium hydroxide? First one is to use it for preparation of bleaching powder. To prepare bleaching powder. What is the formula of bleaching powder? Calcium oxychloride. Used for softening of hard water. Used for to prepare insect killers. Used for neutralizing acidity of soil. So this is the uses of calcium hydroxide. First one is used for to prepare bleaching powder, used for softening of hard water, used for to prepare insect killers, used for neutralizing acidity of soil. So how can you neutralize the acidity of soil? So here acidity means what? Acidic nature. The soil which has more acidic nature. How you can reduce the acidity of soil? By using a calcium hydroxide. Why we should use only calcium hydroxide? Why should not use another substance? What is the reason? So we know that acid react with a base to form neutral. That's why soil having acidic nature, base is having basic nature. These two interact to form neutral substance. That's why we are using to reduce the acidity of soil. Next, sodium hydroxide. What is is the use of sodium hydroxide? What is the another name of sodium hydroxide? We are calling caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide another name is caustic soda. So this sodium hydroxide we are using to prepare soap, used for in textile industry, used for in paper industry, used for in wood pulp industry, these four are important of uses of sodium hydroxide to prepare soaps, and used for in textile industry, used for in paper industry, used for in wood pulp industry. Next, sodium carbonate. Another name of sodium carbonate is washing soda. We know that what is base? Base is a substance which can dissolve in water to give OH minus ions. But here sodium carbonate does not have OH minus ions, but we consider as base. How it is possible? How can you identify it is basic nature or not? So this sodium carbonate how to form? It is formed by the combination of strong base and weak acid to form sodium carbonate plus H2O to balance this one. So here which one is more concentration? Base, strong base, weak acid. So here it is dominated by acid. That's why it has basic nature. So sodium carbonate is formed by the combination of strong base and weak acid. So it has basic nature. What are the uses of washing soda or sodium carbonate? Washing cloth, usually paper industry, usually soap industry, usually paint industry. It is used for preparation of sodium compounds such as borax. So this all are uses of washing soda. It is used in washing cloth, used in paper industry, used in soap industry, used in paint industry, used for to prepare sodium compounds such as borax. What is the formula of borax? Na2B4O7. This is the formula of borax. Next, what is the name of this compound? Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. What is the another name of sodium bicarbonate? We are calling sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is chemical names of sodium bicarbonate. What is the general name of sodium bicarbonate? We are calling baking soda. Baking soda. So what are the uses of baking soda? It is used for to make baking powder, next one, it is used for to prepare soft cake. It is used for to prepare soft and spongy bread. It is used for to make antacids. It is act as a mild antiseptic. These all are uses of baking soda. First one is it is used to make baking powder. So what is the baking powder? So baking powder is a mixture of tartaric acid and baking soda. So what is the baking powder? Baking powder is a mixture of tartaric acid and baking soda. It is used for to prepare soft cake. So do you know cake? We are observing it has softness. How it is possible? By adding baking soda. After cake becomes too soft. Next, again it is used for to prepare soft and spongy bread. How the bread becomes too spongy and soft? Do you know whenever sodium carbonate undergo decomposition to form CO2 gas, this CO2 gas useful for to make soft and spongy bread. Next, it is used for to make antacids. So what is the use of antacids? Suppose in our homes your mother giving you one solution. When we suffering from stomach pain, children, could you take immediately baking soda? So we are using our day-to-day life baking soda for cooking purpose. When we take little amount of baking soda, we get relief from the pain. So that's why it acts as an antacid nature. Next, it is act as a mild antiseptic. Mild means what? Eatable. eatable. So this is we are eating. So this is uses of bases. Next class we will discuss about salts.